Okay guys, this is part 3, the last part. And we're gonna do
part 3, yeah, and I'm running out of time. Get the hell up. 3, 4, I need to talk to you.
No, I'm doing a video.
I know, I need to talk to you.
No, I can't even pause my recording. Right, one sec, guys. Right, okay. He said he wants to hack my account. Right, guys, I'm gonna do this one again. And actually. What do I have? I have nothing. Nothing to do while we like do. Because we need to be AFK for a bit, but I'm recording at the same time, so yeah. Go here. When we get to level 130, then we'll go out into the wild. What projectiles mean? The effects of nope. Well, we're nearly going into the wild chat. Guys, subscribe because I need to do live streams too. If you want me to do live streams, you need to subscribe because I need a certain amount of subscribers to do a live stream. So yeah. Oh, what a lot of them too. Assassin's next. Yep. What did I get? 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 I got... Did I get a stick? You having a laugh? No, you're pigeoned. At least this doesn't have any superpowers. But it is gonna take forever. Just roll the way over here. So when they get close, I can just go to the other side. Or I can just keep moving. Actually guys, I'm just gonna get 10 caribbeans. Get a good one of these. Put that away. You can pick it up. We're gonna do the next boss fight, then we're gonna end the vid. Or actually we're gonna, when we get the dominant in the pet thing, yeah, that's what we done. Fight Goku. No, I don't want to. But we'll get nothing. We must be having a laugh. Since I've got like 10 minutes till the next fight to go to, I'm just gonna do this a little bit until there's 5 minutes left until the finger. So yeah guys, just skip a bit on the video and right now, because this is the boring part, just me doing this for like 3 hours. But yeah, best thing we can do right now, so yeah, skip some of the video and yeah. What did I get? Because I can't pause the recording guys, so I'll just skip. Skip like 5 minutes or 4. Skip 4 minutes guys, skip 4 minutes guys, skip 4 minutes. Oh my god, I forgot. Why does it keep giving me sticks? I'm gonna do 12 more minutes out of it. If you guys are watching this part, for no reason, but yeah, most of you probably skips. Got a battle axe. 20 damage. On equip. Yeah. Battle axe looks so OP. Although it is 70k. Oh, basically. Thingy inverted. Good. This is a strong boss. Actually, this time I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna rebirth yet, guys. After I do this. Okay guys, and this is, if you skipped all the way to here, it's good because this is your time to talk now. Okay, so we're gonna just get 100k and we'll do something. Time and yeah, so okay, on 100k, okay, I'm gonna, we can now rebirth. Now we can be on 8. Gonna be one sec, guys. Okay guys, I'm back. Come back. Just gonna train until next boss fight. Look at the speed run in this. Okay. If I had camera on, then I could show you my needles and stuff. Next level, we can rebirth again. Actually, we're basically on a skipping machine. We just skip levels. What the hell was that? We could skip rebirths. If we had infinite Robux, I would be already best in the world. Oh my god, we have nothing to do. Just watching block screen. My minigun looks overpowered. After this, I don't think I'm actually going to be able because it's nearly next boss fight. You're a baked bean. What's this little guy doing? Why is he shooting a cocoon? A golden cocoon. This is max level, but we're still going. I'm going for 20 more secs. Actually, like 30 more secs, because yeah. It's still going to be an introduction. I'm going to go first and I'm spamming it. Okay, yeah, spawn first. I need train. Why do I look like that, bro? Look at my nose. What if you can zoom into the nostrils? I'm still practicing me. Zoom into the fight. Oh god. I need to win the prize. It's just so slow, guy. Why is he this strong? Last round he was not strong at all. Why does Goku look like that? That does not look like Goku. Minigun. Oh damn, you're cooking low, bro. Why is he using this powers if he can just... If he just chases us, that'll be easy. Oh, please. Oh yeah, you might be dead here. Oh my god, why do you keep aiming for me? Oh my god, why do you have minions, you weirdo? You shouldn't do anything just to live. No, but I swear though, like... It's easy to run away from this guy. You're absolute pigeon head, can you stop doing that? Yeah, wow. You absolute pigeon head, what are you doing? No, bro. I swear, bro. That kid might be good, but maybe it's not. So I'm gonna defeat him. What did I get? So guys, what did I get? What did I get? I got the worst prize ever for all of that. Well, rebirth. And the rainbow one. Okay, guys. 1 minute of the video left. Guys, so I'm gonna go eat now, but they're probably gonna talk, and yeah, still have 1 minute though. Just gonna tell them to shut up. Right, actually now I'm gonna wait. I just can't be bothered. Guys, that was loud. I think. Dun, 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 bum, bum, bum. Elefanto Pucanando. Okay, nice. Not the thing that I wanted. Do I get infinite eggs or something? Do I? I don't know, probably. Just gonna save up now. And guys, yeah, but as you guys know, this is going to be the end of the video. And if you enjoyed it, you guys know what to do. And I think I got scammed because these are poo pets. And yes, so guys, and peace.